Okay, I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Hi-Point 995 carbine. The only tools you'll need are this tool that came with it and 2 Allen wrenches. Okay, first step, you're going to take this tool and remove the bolt. Okay. Second step, you're going to pop these little things out so that you can remove the pins. Okay. This one. That one just fell out. There. So there's the pins. Remove the screw that's right here. Take the screw out. Next step, remove your sock. Use this really small Allen wrench, and there's 2 little screws that hold it in. I advise that when you reassemble it, just use some Loctite, because otherwise the screws might not stay in when you're shooting. That's not good. Okay, so just slide it off. Set it aside. Next step, flip it over. Take the tool that came with it and insert it into this little slot right here. Just turn it. And it releases this part that you just slide out. It's kind of tough. Slide it out. Next step, you're going to remove this receiver clip. Let's use the tool and use the side of it to push on it. Pop that out, set it aside. Next step, you're going to take this shroud off. It pops off really easy. Then you're just going to remove the whole assembly, which also comes out very easy. Just going to set this aside. Now you just have your bolt assembly and trigger assembly. Next, you just pop this, slide it off. Okay, next step is pull this little thing back to release it. I'm just going to use this little tool. Slide it all the way back, and that releases this. You pull it back 1/4 of an inch, and then slide it up, gets that little pin out of the hole, and that allows you to remove it. Pull it up, bring it over the barrel. Next, you just take this little spring out, and there you go. Got your trigger assembly and barrel completely broken down. That's how you do it.